Hey YouTube, so today's project, I'm gonna be making something for my kayak, one of those mesh pieces, but I'm gonna be doing it in metal so I can like put pliers down in there and stuff like that. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, it's just an idea at this point. And I just, these I don't use these, to be honest, mainly because they're so flimsy and they wear out. And I know they make replacements for them made out of, I think, plastic or rubber or something like that. But anyway, let me see what I can come up with. So I found a nice little piece of aluminum sheet. I'm really not positive this is what I want, but we're gonna try it and kind of go from there. So, but I want to try to use this. It'll be easy to bend and it'll look good. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bend this. I'm gonna put a punch mark on here so I can see it when I bend it. It's a little easier. Find out what the angle is. So I'm gonna start with finding this angle coming up. So, I mean, I'm close to it now actually, and that was totally by mistake. But about like that. And actually, to be honest, that almost just feels good just being at the front of that. But that's almost, you couldn't have made that any better. Wow. We're gonna check it, see how close we are. A little bit more. Yeah, it's actually, well, that ain't too far from being there. Just kind of, trust me, that doesn't take much. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I want to bend it so it comes across, like lays across this lip right here. And still not too sure what I want to do here. I mean, I think I'm just going to come across, cut this out and link to this hole right here, but I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see. Another thing I'm going to do too, using this as a template, I'm going to drill these holes out real quick on the back side. Let's see if that marked, yep. There's one. And there's the other one. Go drill those out real quick. Should have drilled this in the flat, but I wasn't too sure where I was really heading with it. Better source of how I'm using it now. And I'm gonna put these screws back in here when I'm done if I don't use these holes. All I know is these pouches, they don't work for me, so. And I really just want to mark it at this point. I'm just going to use the corner of this rule to describe it. And we're going to break this at 90. And we'll just do a 90 right there.
Well, it feels pretty good. I'll put the screws back in. Oh, you got the screwdriver? Bring it over. Thanks, dude.
Okay. I really like the way that looks. And again, this just gives me, allows me to see what I got underneath there. I'm gonna get up under there with a marker or something.
Get a feel for it anyway. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm going to be rounding all this up, cleaning it up.
Pretty good.
Didn't care for him.
Looking up at this, I'm just gonna eyeball this like a slot, like probably about a ½ inch. It'll look better than this. sight. We're gonna go ahead and throw this one out. All right, let's do this thing. See how that works. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. I'm gonna wallow it out a little bit because I kind of came in a little right there, but that's it. Show you what I'm gonna do here. The inside.
Little denatured alcohol, get that right off.
All right, let's go put it on. I think that'll work. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. That one's a little cattywampus. I think I messed that up though. Okay. And then this one on top. That's rigid. I have a better pair of pliers than this, which I can use this hook extraction. I really like these for deep, going in deep if you have to. That's weird. But, and then I really think I'm gonna benefit from this one. Wow. I still have access to my rod holder for when I'm changing lures. I have one on the other side too, but that looks all right. But you know, and then if I have some lures I just want to hang. Let's see if I can have a little bit cleaner boat. It's a little rusty hook there, but you get the principle. These things, my lures are sometimes laying everywhere in these pockets. I'd love to have someplace to hang them. I'm gonna find out if it gets in the way. It shouldn't, but we'll see how it turns out. I hope you guys liked the video. I was trying to get it done. We're getting ready to head out. We're going to Kitsapeake State Park, and I'll be fishing the concrete ships over there and things like that. So I really was trying to hurry and get this done. So you might have noticed some rushing in the video, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I never use these pockets. Other than putting trash in them, I never use these pockets. The other one has been like that forever, and I can't handle it. So, but now I think I've got a use for it. I'll find out how it works out on my first fishing trip. So, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.